from QYLIS. So QYLIS is into cybersecurity and data AI. So in cybersecurity, so we have a platform called QYLIS S365, which is platform plus service, which is a comprehensive cybersecurity platform. So in this event, we want to showcase that platform and make people aware. So this platform plus service is fully protected, and also it has 15 minutes of mean time to contain, and it's a robust AI enabled platform which actually useful for all the industries across the globe, and also it has data sovereignty as well as compliance laws inbuilt. So which we want to make sure that everybody is aware of this, and hopefully we would like to make them use this in those companies. So from security purpose lunti, so all the endpoints, so for example a company lo, so there are a lot of endpoints like laptops, mobiles, so everything called as endpoint. So we'll protect all the endpoints, and endpoints also can be in the premise అంటే లోపల ఉండొచ్చు, క్లౌడ్ లో ఉండొచ్చు, హైబ్రిడ్ లో ఉండొచ్చు. So there can be different ways where this endpoint stays, and there are a lot of other things, right? And data also can be in different forms. So threat also can be in different forms. Dark web bunny, lekpote. So we have lot of threats coming in, right? So what we have is our platform almost 99%, 99.3% at the first host. And starting lone, it won't even allow you to come inside and mad. So that makes things more robust, and we are very robust in the threat hunting process. So that makes a very productive sheet for all the companies. And cybersecurity, people are getting aware that it is a major issue for everybody, and especially growing country like India needs cybersecurity platform, so that they can be more competent in the coming years. I also have with me Rashekar, so he is our SOC lead, so who is heading this platform. So I would like to ask him to also give some points on the QYLIS S360.